Before I go into the video, please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and turn on your notifications so you will be the first to be updated whenever I upload. So my subscribers had asked me to show a follow-up video after pruning. So this is what they look like after a few days. So the shoots started coming up now. I am not sure if you are able to see the smaller ones, but I'll try to make it as clear as possible. Let me make some adjustments. Alright, so I think you'll be able to see it much clearer now. So from time to time, not all shoots will grow at the same pace. Some will grow much faster than some, and that is quite normal. And so far, these are doing pretty good. So this is where they're at now after 2.5 weeks. I even made another cut to this one. So in a little while longer, another branch should be popping. This one right here is doing pretty good, and it even starts to flower. So moving on to this, the third plant, which is the most successful of the three. In the background you can see an irrigation system that I set up using plastic bottle. 3 strong branches are shown right here, and it is in the process of putting out some more, also doing some flowering. So guys, if you notice that the plants are flowering and at this point you don't want it to actually be focusing on fruits, you can always remove those flowers and allow the plant now to rechannel its focus into the growth and development of the shoots. So guys, I have done a video on how I use this plastic bottle to make a simple irrigation system to water these plants. This system is very effective, so if you are interested, you can check out this video. So now, these are some others that I have done, and they are doing pretty well so far. All these peppers that you are seeing here in this video were topped at the same time. They were all transplanted on the same date. So guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification so that you will be notified when I upload this video.